Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are off to Athens.
Welcome to Lindy Hop. We're Gabby and Sam, and this is our four-legged furry friend Basie. Follow us on our adventures in our self-converted sprinter van as we document our time on and off the road, travelling around the UK, Lithuania and the rest of Europe. Thanks for all of your support so far, and if you're joining us for the first time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video.
So we're just on the shuttle bus on the way to the airport, and we've just dropped Basie off at the kennel, so he's going to be there for a few days. Sorry if it's a bit shaky, we're on the shuttle bus.
Yeah, the little bee took us. We did a little trial shift at the kennel, and it's a lot better than the other one that we tried before. So it feels almost like a little kids' nursery. They're really sweet there, and they get lots of walks and lots of playtime with other dogs as well. So I'm feeling a little bit more relaxed compared to the last time we left them at a different kennel.
But we are off to Athens Rhythm Hop. Avgustinus and Vasia have been kind enough to invite us back again. I think this is my third time DJing there. Oh man, this bus is a bit rough. So super excited to be there and just can't wait to get there.
I can't wait too. I'm just tagging along as a +1. Lucky me.
Oh, you're so slow. Come on. Come on. Come on. So I think for the first time ever we're actually flying from North Terminal. So we're just getting this little shuttle train to the North Terminal from the south. And apparently it takes like 1 minute, so we won't be long. So much leg room. We made it. Now we're going to go and find our driver and head off to our hotel, wherever that is. We've made it to the hotel, I think. We're gonna find out soon.
They took pictures of our passports. Yeah. So we're here.
501.
Which one?
501, 501, 501. Here we go.
Is anyone home? Should we ring?
One hour later.
Ready to head out?
Yes, ready to head out.
Well, we've just finished our first night's dancing and it was pretty epic. I mean, it was crazy to be back in like a Lindy Hop festival atmosphere. And the view from our balcony is incredible. Super, super lucky to be staying here. And just wait until I give a little flat tour tomorrow and you'll see what the view is like from the other terrace. It's pretty special.
For food, I think any other places on this is a mini.
So we've had quite a chilled morning today. We went and got some Lebanese food. You know, while in Greece, eat Lebanese. And yeah, just come back to the apartment to sort out some music for tonight. I'm going to be emceeing the auditions and then DJing for the first sort of half of the night around the band. sorted out music for the solo jazz competition. And yeah, it should be a good night. I'll do a little flat tour. This is our little bedroom. This is our little Gabby. And we've got a nice little terrace out here for us, our own personal little terrace. And then through we go into the kitchen. Got a little fridge, freezer, big kitchen, nothing in the cupboards, very interesting. And then we've got the beds where the other guys, Rasmus and Jonas, are staying. And then we've got the other terrace out here, which is huge and gorgeous. And then up there, I don't know if you can see, is Acropolis, which is such a view, unbelievable. But yeah, as I say, we're just getting ready. Gonna go out to the auditions in a minute, and then come back, get some food, and then go party in the evening.
We like to party, 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 party. We like to party in Greece.
Here we go. Dinner with a view. Hey.
Acropolis.
Hey. Oh, goodness. There we go. Acropolis and pizza and salad. Beautiful. Woo! Ready to go dancing. Hello.
I missed you.
So lots of little fossils, little imprints of shells. It's really been a while. This wall here, such a beautiful, beautiful texture and color. Love it.
Quite nice, eh?
This is so nice. It's a bit touristy, but at the same time it's so lovely with all the small steps. Thank you.
A perfect Gabby-sized door.
Gabby-sized dome, Gabby-sized house. I could live here. I don't mind.
So this is a bit more of the reality of the centre of Athens. It's absolutely heaving. Like super many people. Super many.
Very busy. Super many people.
Yeah. And we're just texting all our friends to see if they're around to grab coffee. And hopefully we go and meet them now. But I don't know where they are. I don't even know if they're awake yet. Google reviews.
Yeah. That's what
I'm not sure how Greek this is, but
But actually, it's like really fun as well, so I enjoy it.
Yeah, and you use pictures.
Here.
Woo!
Smash.
I wonder if they could give me any extra chocolate sauce. So how do you enjoy Athens Rhythm Hop?
It's been good. It's been good.
It's always good because of this man.
Because of this man or because of you guys?
Because of you. Well, we've just made it to the venue for the evening dance tonight. I guess tonight's probably the main dance of the event. It's got the mix and match competition. There's various performances and people are just signing up for the mix and match right now. There's going to be 45 couples in total, and I'll be emceeing it, so it'll be a bit of fun. But yeah, looking forward to tonight. It's our last night here, so yeah, I think we're going to go out with a bang. So we've just had our last evening at Athens Rhythm Hop, and it's the morning after now, and we're just about to head to the airport.
I'm feeling completely shattered. Our voice, our legs, our arms, our heads. We've done so much and we had such a good time, but now we're quite tired.
Yeah, and the festival actually goes on for one more day, but we're going a day early because we've had to leave Basie with the kennel and we want to go and get him. But yeah, the live music's been great, competitions were fun, performances were good, Athens has been beautiful as usual, everyone's been great. Yeah, can't wait to come back next year. Yeah, if they'll have us back. Well, thanks a lot for watching today's video, everyone. We've just had a monumental 12-hour or plus journey from Athens because of a monumental mess up by Wizz Air, but we're back home, we're back at Gatwick. Gonna go and get the car and head back home.
To the house.
To the house. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. Hello.
Yes.
Hello, buddy. Oh, yeah. Also, quick shout out to Maria and Ivanus. We've got our brand new hoodies on. Oh yes. Team Aptelis here.
We just got married last weekend, and if you're gonna make a video about it, is there gonna be a video?
Yeah.
We're gonna link it somewhere so you can watch that wedding.
This one might come out before the wedding one though, who knows?
You never know.